Hello. This presentation will focus on research compliance, integrity, and good research practice. My name is Svetlana Bagdasarov, and I am the Research Compliance Officer for the Division of Research and Graduate Studies here at Fresno State. So, what compliance resources are available to faculty? Well, we have faculty committees overseeing research subject protections. We have faculty committees overseeing environmental health and safety related research. And we have myself, Research Compliance Officer Svetlana Bagdasarov. The first and most active committee we have on campus is the Committee for the Protection of Human Subjects, the CPHS. The CPHS serves as the Institutional Review Board or IRB for the university. The CPHS was established to facilitate human subjects research and to ensure the rights and welfare of human subjects are protected during participation. Currently, Dr. Jennifer Randles serves as the CPHS chair. Please direct all IRB-related questions and concerns to Dr. Randles. Next, we have the Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee, also known as the IACUC. The IACUC oversees the university's animal care and use program. The IACUC is responsible for reviewing all animal use protocols, ensuring compliance with federal regulations, inspecting animal facilities and laboratories, and overseeing training and educational programs. We have Dr. Rory Telemico, who serves as the IACUC chair. Please direct all IACUC-related questions to Dr. Telemico. Next, we have the Institutional Biosafety Committee, or the IBC. The IBC reviews research involving biohazardous materials. The IBC was established to enforce and monitor biosafety compliance in research in order to sustain a safe working and learning environment. We have Dr. Corinne Guzet, who serves as the IBC chair. Please direct all questions and concerns regarding the IBC to Dr. Guzet. We also have the Radiation Safety Committee, or the RSC. The RSC reviews all proposals and maintains surveillance over the use of radioactive materials and radiation-producing equipment within university purview. Dr. Mihai Gerais serves as the RSC chair. Please direct all questions to Dr. Gerais in regards to RSC. Finally, we have myself, a Research Compliance Officer. I monitor university-wide research compliance. I serve as a liaison for institutional compliance committees. I also provide research compliance education and training to all faculty, staff, and students. I connect people to available compliance resources for research and externally funded sponsored activities. I provide assistance in the development of institutional regulatory research compliance policies and procedures. And lastly, I track and maintain research compliance records. Please do not hesitate to contact myself for any and all research compliance related questions and concerns. Here is our office contact information. We are located in the Thomas Administration Building. We are the Office of Research and Sponsored Programs within the Division of Research and Graduate Studies. Please do not hesitate to contact any one of us. We're happy to serve you. Thank you.